In this video, you will learn about the switch function in Excel. Also, you will learn how to use the switch function in Excel with VLOOKUP function in Excel. So, first we will have our simple example, then we have your complex example with multiple criteria. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. If you are watching for the first time, then please subscribe our channel and please share if you think this video is helpful for you. So before combining the switch function with VLOOKUP function, if you want to learn about the switch formula and VLOOKUP formula, then check the video links in the description below. So now let's start. For example, I want the fruits and sales numbers based on my fruits, but my information in different tables or different sheets. So how I can get the information using the switch and VLOOKUP formula in Excel? If you are using the old VLOOKUP formula, then equal to VLOOKUP, you are looking for apple, comma, you can select like this or you can select like this, comma 2, comma 0. So now if I copy this formula, I am getting the error message because the information is in different table or sheet. So now here I can modify the formula by using if error, open the bracket, go to the end and try to use again VLOOKUP formula and search apple, comma, select your sheet or table, comma 2, comma 0 and close the bracket. So now I can get the information as well. But when you have multiple tables, then this formula becomes very complex and it is not advisable to use multiple if error and VLOOKUP formulas. So how we can use a switch formula to make the formula simple? Let's say equal to VLOOKUP, I'm looking for apple, comma, now we are going to use the switch function, switch, comma, now my expression is A5, comma, and my result in the first sheet, comma, or you can select like this if it is a apple, comma, select this table, or you can select like this, comma, if it is mango, you can type with double quote or select the text based on your information and close the bracket. So now the switch function is over. Now I'm going to give comma 2, comma 0 and close the bracket. So now you can see here, because of switch formula I got the information easily, and if I have more criteria, just I need to add it here and it will be working fine. Suppose you want with multiple criteria, then how you can do that? For example, I want the apple and mangoes, or my sales I want the rate, but I have apple sales in different tab or sheet and mango in different sheet. So how I can get the rate? In this case, let's use the VLOOKUP with switch function in Excel. Equal to VLOOKUP, we are looking for B5, comma, we are going to use switch. Now your expression is A5 because it is apple. Now I am going to select this table, comma, if it is a mango, either I can type with double quote mango or you can select from here. Let's say I am going to type here, also you can type apple, if it is apple, this one, if it is a mango, this one. Now let's close this, comma 2, comma 0, right? So here now you can see it is working fine, but why it is not working here? Because of the formula. We have typed mango wrongly, because of that we are getting the error. So we can drag the formula and it will work fine. So this is all about the switch formula and VLOOKUP formula in Excel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below, and please subscribe and share our videos. so that it will motivate us to add more videos for you. Thanks for watching.